comics that sell on Etsy, Pod, Social, and KDP without drawing anything. AddComic Prompt Studio hands you ready-to-paste prompts for Midjourney, DALL-E, and ChatGPT in seconds. You paste, the AI draws, and you turn the results into Etsy sticker packs and printables, Pod designs, daily social posts, and KDP comic books with the included assembly guide. No art skills. No copyright worries. No blank page panic. Pog at instant access -$17. One-time price. Instant download. Works 100% offline, nothing to install. Picture this: a fresh Etsy listing. A daily post. A new comic book, all from one batch of prompts. And each comic takes 5 minutes, not 5 hours. One gag becomes an Etsy sticker or print you list today. The funniest one becomes today's post. And a themed batch, plus the included KDP assembly guide, becomes a comic book. That's not a fantasy, it's just having the right prompt on tap. The idea is the hard part. We remove it. You already know cute, funny animals sell. The bottleneck is describing them to the AI in a way that looks professional and consistent. This app is that missing piece, a point-and-click machine that turns a vibe into a perfect prompt. Selling and posting animal comics is hot fire, but 3 things kill it. Dizzy face. You run dry fast. Staring at a blank prompt box, trying to describe the exact art style and joke, kills hours and your posting streak. Balance scale. Copyright fear. Copying a famous webcomics look, or naming an artist, is the fastest way to take downs and banned accounts. Paint palette. I can't draw. Great ideas, no art skills, and hiring illustrators is slow and expensive. You don't need to be a writer or an artist. You need a system that hands you the right words, safely, every time. Meet AddComic Prompt Studio. A dead simple prompt builder made specifically for funny animal comics. It fuses a hand-picked art style, your character, a proven joke formula, and a scenario into one polished prompt, formatted perfectly for whatever AI tool you use. 100+ built-in scenarios: cats, dogs, birds, small pets, objects and food, seasonal themes. 7 product formats: comics, quote designs, sticker sheets, patterns, greeting cards, memes, and KDP book covers from one engine. Paint palette. Coloring mode. Turn any idea into a print-ready black and white coloring page, great for KDP. Open book. Story mode and detective whodunit comics, full story comics with dialogue, or pet mysteries with a twist ending. 21 proven joke formulas: escalation, deadpan, ironic twist, whodunit, caught red-handed, tiny but mighty, pure slapstick, and more. 4 distinct art styles, each with its own linework, palette, and comic vibe. One-click formats for Midjourney, DALL-E, ChatGPT, plus universal for any tool. Randomize and surprise me for instant inspiration when you're stuck. Prompt history. Your last 10 prompts saved in one-click, copyable. Copyright safe by design, never names an artist or brand, only generic art attributes. Built-in guide. A how to use button walks you through everything inside the app. Start creating in 60 seconds. Right pointing arrow. One engine, many products, not just comics. 7 sellable formats. The same funny pet idea becomes whatever sells best on your platform. Pick a format and generate. No extra tools, no relearning. Right anger bubble comics. Multi-panel funny strips, 1, 2, 4, or 6 panels. Speech balloon quote designs. Cute animal plus a funny quote, perfect for mugs and shirts. Ribbon sticker sheets. Die-cut sticker packs, a top Etsy seller. Repeat button patterns. Seamless repeat prints for wrapping paper and fabric. Love letter greeting cards. Birthday, thank you, holiday, and more. Tears of joy memes. Top, bottom caption memes for viral social reach. Paint palette. Coloring mode. Open the KDP coloring book goldmine. Flip on coloring mode and any idea instantly becomes a print-ready black and white line art page, clean outlines, no shading, white background, KDP safe margins. Tap into the huge coloring and activity book niche for kids and adults, stress relief, zen, coloring. New detective pet mystery comics, ride the detective book boom. Detective and whodunit activity books are flying off Amazon right now. Switch on the new whodunit formula and pick a ready-made case: the missing cookie, who knocked over the plant. The great toilet paper caper, and the app builds a funny multi-panel mystery, several pet suspects, a clue in each panel, and a twist reveal at the end. A fresh, trending angle most sellers aren't touching yet. New closed book cover maker, finish the whole book, not just the pages. Made your interior pages? Now make the cover too. Pick book cover format, choose your book type, comic, coloring, or activity, detective, type your title, subtitle, and author, and the app builds a KDP-ready front cover prompt, cover art plus a clean title banner. No more scrambling for a separate cover tool. Tip: Leave the title blank for a clean empty banner, then add crisp text in Canva or KDP Cover Creator. New open book wordless OR full story comics, your choice. Flip comic style to story plus dialogue, and the app writes a comic with a title, per panel captions, speech bubble dialogue and sound effects, a real little story from setup to punchline. Perfect for webcomics, KDP comic books and shareable story posts. Prefer clean visual gags? Keep it on wordless. One engine, both styles. Tip: ChatGPT's image tool renders comic text best, tidy any typos in Canva. See it in action point, click, copy, your prompt is done. 4-panel pet whodunit comic, 3 pet suspects near an empty cookie jar, a chubby black and white cat caught with crumbs in the final panel, cute hand-drawn cartoon comic style. Thick clean black outlines, build to a clear comedic punchline in the final panel. AR 1:1, stylize 150. Made with this app, look what you can create. 6 comics generated straight from app prompts, different styles, different jokes, one engine. This is the kind of thing you can make in minutes. Cozy pastel style, painterly chibi style, bold cartoon twist, deadpan earthy holiday cozy pastel, kawaii chibi style. Works with 17 plus animals: dog face dogs, cat face cats, duck ducks, hamster hamsters, parrot parrots, rabbit face rabbits, hedgehog hedgehogs, chicken chickens, paw guinea pigs, hamburger food and objects, and more. How it works: 3 simple steps. Generate, copy, paste. Pick your target tool plus aspect ratio, click generate, and paste the finished prompt into your AI image tool. Your comic appears in seconds. Where this really pays: instant products on Etsy, Pod and Social, plus books on KDP. Best part, most of these sell as single images, so the comic you generate today is a product you can list today. No layout, no assembly. And when you want a book, the included KDP guide handles that too. Thread Etsy, digital and printables on tap. Single panel gags become sticker packs, printable wall art, greeting cards and digital downloads, the highest margin products on Etsy, with zero inventory. Generate right pointing arrow list. That simple. 1:1 gags are perfect for stickers and square prints. One recognizable character plus many jokes equals a theme shop people browse for ages. Copyright safe prompts protect your shop from takedowns. T-shirt, Pod and Social, post, print, sell. Drop a design onto a t-shirt, mug or sticker on your Pod store, or post it straight to Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Every post is a free ad that funnels followers to your shop. Built-in ratios for feeds, 1:1, 4:5, and Reels, Stories, 9:16. Fresh, on-theme content every single day. No assembly, the image is the product, post. Open Book KDP, the content engine for your comic book. Want a book too? The app is the endless content source, batch 30 to 40 on-theme comics in minutes. Then the included KDP assembly guide walks you from those comics to a publish-ready book, trim size, page count, cover, upload. One style per book equals looks professionally illustrated cover to cover. 140 plus scenarios, 500 plus with the pack, equals easily clear KDP's page minimums. Step-by-step guide included, no guesswork on layout or format. Factory from prompt to product. Step what you do what you get: 1 pick a niche, 1 style plus 1 pet, e.g. cozy pastel plus orange tabby, a consistent product theme. 2 generate comics and edit your favorites finished. Sell ready images. 3 fast path. List them as Etsy stickers, prints or post to social products and posts today. 4 book path. Follow the included KDP guide to assemble a Buka comic book on Amazon. Build my first product. Right pointing arrow. Why it actually saves you: built for speed, volume and results. Never run out of ideas. 140 plus scenarios across every popular niche, 21 joke formulas, and a randomize button that spins up a fresh concept in 1 click. A whole month of content in a single sitting. Professional, consistent styles. 4 carefully tuned looks, 15 with the upgrade, mean your feed looks designed, not random. Pick a style and everything you make matches. Formatted for your exact tool. 1 click gives you the right syntax for Midjourney, AR, Stylize, DALL-E, ChatGPT, or a universal format. No fiddling, no guesswork, copy and paste. Safe to sell. Every prompt describes generic art attributes only, 0 artist names, 0 brands, plus a built-in reminder to edit images before commercial use. Peace of mind baked in. Grow Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Turn comics into a follower machine. Funny animal content is the most shareable, tag-able, save-able content on the internet, and every post is a free ad for your Etsy shop and KDP books. Feed the machine daily, each platform's aspect ratio is built right in. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Camera with flash Instagram. Post 4 to 5 single gags for maximum feed real estate. Build carousels from 4 or 6 panel comics. swipe equals watch time, and drop 916 reels using the comic to video upgrade. Recognizable style equals a feed people follow. Your .pet, comics. Thumbs up Facebook. Single panel gags get shared like crazy on Facebook, every share is free reach. Build a fan page around one theme, post daily, and funnel fans to your shop or book link. Facebook.com/your.page your pet comics page thumbs up 1.2k speech balloon 340 up right arrow 890 shares. Example engagement numbers are illustrative only. Musical note TikTok and Reels. Vertical 916 is built in. With the comic to video upgrade, turn any comic into a shot-by-shot motion prompt for Clink, Runway, Sora and ride the short video wave. Spiral calendar a ready-made week of content. Batch it. Spend one session with Randomize All, generate the images, and schedule the week. Never scramble for a post again. Day theme format Mon relatable cat gag IG 4 to 5 plus FB share Tuesday dog slapstick IG carousel, 4 panels, wet food comes alive twist FB single panel 2 deadpan 1 panel IG 1 to 1 for seasonal trending reel 9. 16, OTO3, sat small pet cuteness IG carousel sun best of poll stories 916. Feed my socials every day right pointing arrow. Reel prompts, ready to paste. 4-panel comic strip with clear panel borders, a chubby and round calico cat dramatically waking its owner at 5 a.m. demanding breakfast then refusing to eat it, comedic structure. The situation escalates panel by panel to an absurd final punchline, cute hand-drawn cartoon comic style, thick clean black outlines, flat bright pastel colors, chubby rounded character design. AR 1-to-1, stylize 150. Create a single-panel comic illustration featuring a small and petite gray kitten. Scene. The kitten blends invisibly into same-colored objects, only its eyes visible. Art style, minimalist indie webcomic style. Use a muted sage green background. 1-to-1 format. No text or speech bubbles unless essential to the joke. Perfect for thread Etsy sellers. Sticker packs, printable wall art, cards and digital downloads, high margin, zero inventory, list today. Built to protect your store shield. Most prompt packs quietly tell the AI to copy a named artist or webcomic, the fastest way to get flagged. Pet Comic Prompt Studio does the opposite. Every prompt describes generic art attributes only, linework, palette, proportions, composition, humor. Zero artist names, zero brand names, ever. A built-in reminder to edit generated images before commercial use for stronger ownership. AI image rights and marketplace rules vary by platform and country. Always review the terms of your AI tool and selling platform. Editing your images before selling is strongly recommended. Order today and also get 4 fast action bonuses, free. These aren't filler, each one removes a real roadblock so you go from, I bought a tool, to, I'm making sellable products, fast. Gift bonus number 150 best-selling niches and titles. Never wonder, what do I make? 50 proven pet niches, each with a ready title, angle for KDP, Etsy and Pod. $sign value, $27. Gift bonus number 250 viral captions and hooks. Fill in the blank captions, scroll-stopping hooks and soft sell CTAs so every post gets shares, and funnels fans to your shop. $sign value, $17. Gift bonus number 3 12-month content calendar. A full year of pet holidays and seasonal ideas, list products early and ride the search traffic all year. $sign value, $17. Gift bonus number 4, Comics Right Pointing Arrow KDP Book, Guide. Step by step, turn your generated comics into a publish-ready Amazon KDP book, trim size, pages, cover, upload. $sign value, $19. Total bonus value, $80 yours free today. Here's everything you get today. Pet Comic Prompt Studio app, single file, works offline. 4 art styles 21 joke formulas 140 plus scenarios. 7 product formats, comic quote sticker pattern card meme closed book cover. Open book story mode, comics with a title, captions, speech bubble dialogue and SFX. Detective whodunit mysteries, pet detective comics with a twist ending. Paint palette coloring mode, print ready black and white pages. Closed book cover maker, title, subtitle and author for KDP comic, coloring or activity books. Midjourney, DALL-E, ChatGPT, universal formats. Randomize, surprise me and prompt history. Built-in, how to use, guide. 8 aspect ratios, 1-to-1 4-to-5 2-to-3 3-to-4 3-to-2 4-to-3 16-to-9 9 16, plus any custom size for posters and KDP trims. Gift 4 free bonuses, niches and titles viral captions content calendar KDP assembly guide, $80 value. Free updates to the app. Want more? Optional upgrades inside. The front end is complete on its own. When you're ready to scale, these upgrades unlock automatically inside the app when you sign in. OTO 1 Mega Content Pack. Plus 1 styles and plus 360 scenarios, right pointing arrow 15 styles, 500 plus scenarios. OTO 2 Brand Engine. Your own reusable mascot plus character sheet prompts. OTO 3 Comic to Video. Per panel motion prompts for Kling, Runway, Sora. OTO 4 Kids and Coloring Engine. Coloring tiers plus mazes, activity and detective pages. OTO 5 Seller Toolkit. Listing, SEO Assistant, Niche Finder and Batch Builder. What users are saying. AddComic Prompt Studio has completely transformed the way I create AI comics. The prompts are incredibly well structured, making it easy to generate consistent characters and funny storylines without endless trial and error. It's become one of my favorite creative resources. Emily Carter. I've purchased dozens of AI prompt collections, and this is easily one of the most practical. Everything is organized, easy to customize, and works beautifully for creating pet-themed comic strips. It saves me hours every week. Daniel Brooks. As an Etsy seller, I constantly need fresh content. AddComic Prompt Studio helped me create unique comic concepts much faster than writing prompts from scratch. The commercial-friendly ideas alone made this purchase worthwhile. Sophie and Win. What impressed me most was the consistency of the results. The prompts are designed to maintain character style across multiple panels, which is something I struggled with before. Highly recommended for anyone creating AI-generated comics. Michael Thompson. Whether you're using ChatGPT images, Midjourney, Flux, or another AI image generator, this prompt collection is an excellent investment. The prompts are detailed, easy to adapt, and inspired me to create an entire series of pet comics for social media. Rachel Kim. Try it risk-free. Use it for a full 3 days. If it doesn't help you create comic prompts faster, email brainoreviewer@gmail.com for a friendly refund. All the risk is on us. Frequently asked questions. Do I need to install anything? No. It's a single file that opens in any modern browser and runs fully offline. Does it create the images for me? No, it creates the prompts. You paste them into your own AI image tool, Midjourney, DALL-E, ChatGPT, or any other. This keeps the app free of API keys and monthly fees. Does it make a finished KDP book for me? To be clear, the app is your content engine. It gives you unlimited comic prompts to fill the pages. You then generate the images and assemble the book. The included, Comics Right Pointing Arrow KDP book, bonus guide walks you through page count, trim size, cover and upload step by step. Follow Amazon KDP's AI content disclosure policy when you publish. What can I sell on Etsy with this? Loads, and these need no assembly. Digital sticker packs, printable wall art, greeting cards, planner covers and pod stickers, shirts. The comic you generate is the product. Edit your images before listing and follow Etsy's policies on AI-assisted content. Can I really use these for social media too? Yes, social aspect ratios, 1:1, 4:5, 9:16, are built in, so every comic doubles as a post that promotes your shop or book. Which social platforms does it suit? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest and more. Use 1:1 or 4:5 for feeds and 9:16 for reels, shorts and stories. Do I need design or writing skills? None. Every option is point and click and the prompts are written for you. Will my prompts cause copyright trouble? Prompts never name an artist or brand and describe only generic attributes. Editing images before commercial use is recommended. Always follow your tools and platforms' terms. Is this a subscription? No. It's a one-time purchase with free updates. What if I need help? Open the built-in guide or email brainoreviewer@gmail.com.